whatever the kill is, just enjoying it, looking at me in the corner of his eye like, yo, don't come close to me. But also I want to see how close I can get to it without it even doing something. But look at this guy. Wow. This is the closest encounter that I had with a hawk this big. I think it's a hawk. If it's another bird, whoever's watching this, let me know. But it's pretty cool, right? Look at this guy. Freaking huge. That's what she said. Wow. Just looking, chilling. All right, Mr. Hawk, I'm gonna go away so you can enjoy your meal. In the circle of life, the hawk eat his food. I'm gonna let him enjoy in peace.